Dogs, the pinnacle of civilization. Man's best friend. They aren't afraid of anything, except for one thing: vacuum cleaners. So I interviewed one of the leading experts on this salient issue to find out exactly why this is. My name is Dr. Dugan, and I'm an expert in dog vacuum afraidness. With such a pressing issue like dog vacuum afraidness, can you tell us how it started, like its origin? Well, a long time ago. There are two best friends. One, a small pup, and one, bigger than Clifford. They did everything together. They played outside together, played inside together, they ate together, they even played basketball together. These two puppy pals were bound to be best friends forever. But one day, something terrible happened. They woke up and ate as they did every day, and everything seemed normal. But then they heard it. A loud sound, sort of like a roar. They went to the source and saw it. The vacuum. They went closer. A crack was heard, and they started to run. Big Pup got away, but Small Dog, he was gone. Big Dog knew he had to save his right paw man, so he pushed himself. He did push-ups, pull-ups, and dunked harder than ever before. He trained day and night to become strong enough to beat the vacuum. Finally, he was ready, and he went to the vacuum to get his best friend back. The battle between the pup and the vacuum was fierce. It became known as the Puppy Vac Fight of 1857. It's thought to be one of the hardest fought battles in history. But Big Pup, he started to lose. He was about to accept his fate when he pulled the plug on the vacuum, and Small Dog was set free. They were so happy. But they knew one thing: the vacuum is too powerful, and they should never, never go near it again. Their bark is to warn us that we too can get eaten by the vacuum.
Hello, I'm Elijah Anderson, and I'm a furry. I go to furry conventions in New York, Atlantic Island, and Passapalooza, the furry version, where we wear chef outfits and we cook as furry animals with our hairnets, and our furriness gets into the food.